Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use calculated fields and bins in Tableau. These are powerful features that help you organize numerical data into groups and create custom calculations for deeper analysis, making your visualizations far more insightful and actionable. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to the Tableau website. Type in www.tableau.com in your address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your workspace. If you already have an account, click on Sign In at the top of the page. Alternatively, if you're working locally, you can open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public directly on your computer. Now that you're signed in, it's time to create or open a workbook where you'll be working with your data. Click on Explore in the navigation menu, then look for the New button. When you click it, a drop-down selection will appear. From there, select Workbook. This creates a fresh canvas for your analysis. Next, you need to connect to your data source. On the Start page, you'll see a Connect section with various options. Choose your preferred data source, whether that's an Excel file, a text file, or a database connection. For this tutorial, click on Files and then Upload from Computer, browse your system, and select the data set you wish to use in Tableau, then click Open. Once the file finishes uploading, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook. Type in something descriptive, and then click Publish. Give it a moment to process and save your work. Now let's move on to creating bins. On the left side panel, you'll see the Tables section where all your data fields are listed. From here, select the table and locate the specific field you want to apply bins to. Bins are most commonly used on numerical fields like measures or sales data. Once you've found your field, click the small drop-down arrow next to it. An expanded menu will appear. Hover your cursor over Create, and from the submenu that appears, select Bins. A bin customization window will pop up on your screen. Here, you can set the name of your bin and define the size of each bin range. If you're unsure what size works best for your data, Tableau offers a Suggest button that will calculate an optimal bin size based on your data distribution. Once you've configured your settings, close the window to save. You'll now see the field name with bin added to it in your data pane. Now that you've created your bin, let's move on to creating a calculated field. We'll use the same field that we just converted to bins. Click the drop-down arrow next to that field again, and this time hover your cursor over Create. From the expanded selection that appears, choose Calculated Field. This opens the Calculations editor where you can build custom formulas. You can add conditional statements, mathematical operations, and logical functions to create precisely the analysis you need. If you want to see all the available functions and commands, click the small right arrow icon on the right side of the calculation field. This reveals a library of functions you can use. Once you've entered your conditional statement and formatted everything correctly, click Apply and then OK to save your calculated field. And that's it. You've successfully created both bins and calculated fields in Tableau, giving you much more control over how you analyze and visualize your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.